Good everyone, this is the voice of Coach, and in this video I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can earn through the Telegram feature on Celeste. So now this is the Telegram feature right here, and you can see under it says active. So you click on it. Now you say go to Telegram. Now once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now this is a task for you to do on Telegram. So as you can see, I have joined this group already. So now let's go back. As you can see, I'm done doing that, so I'll click on X, reload. Now as you can see right here, I just earned 0.75 euros right here. I just earned 0.75 euros for doing this particular task. Look at it, Telegram reward tax, 0.75 euros. And if we check here, you can see it has reflected. That 0.75 shows that it has reflected. If we check our history, now you can see it's 0.75 euros. So that's exactly how you can actually earn through this Telegram activity on Celeste. All you have to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, go to Telegram, follow the channel that you are meant to follow, or perform the activity that comes when you actually click on this go to Telegram. Once you perform the activity, you come back here and reload your account. Once you reload it, your balance will add up. Alright, that'll be all for this video. If you gain value from this video, like and subscribe. And there's one other thing I want to highlight here. When you earn through performing tasks on Celeste, your balance shows up here in this income flow balance. You understand? The income flow balance is different from the one up here. You understand? It's different. Altogether, you can withdraw all of them. You understand? This income flow balance, you can withdraw it. This one, you can also withdraw it. All these balances, you can withdraw it in the withdrawal tab. All you have to do is to note and also watch my previous video where I explained this particular dashboard interface totally. I explained it very well so that everyone will understand it. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe, and if you have a question, drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next update.